me tell y'all something, right? My dad taught me this, and may his soul rest in peace. He used to always tell me, cause there's a difference between a guy who cuts hair and a barber. Well, we're actually gonna use car washing in this case as an analogy. There's a difference between the person who washes your car and the actual detailer. This guy is one of the best in South Florida, and it's not even close, if not the best.
808 Mafia!
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Adrian with Detail Lifestyle and Pull Right Up Detailing Company. We just got through finished detailing the 80 tank. This beautiful truck right here is double coated with 3M ceramic coating. It has up to 5 years protection. This is my guy Los right here. You already know. This is his tank. And I'm about to show him the inside of the interior that we finished detailing. So come on with us and check it out. Whee! Oh man, look. I'm gonna open up the other one if you want to show them the inside. Y'all be killing it. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. Ooh, y'all be doing y'all thing. Okay guys, so with the exterior, you gave it a bubble bath. Usually I'll do an outside wax, a spray wax, a ceramic spray wax or such, but since this is already double coated with 3M ceramic coating, there's no need for it. And then we degrease and dress the tires. Look at that shine on the tires. Whee! Lipstick.